Dan, the Credit Man Willis here, and we're talking about secured credit cards to rebuild your credit. So here's the deal. When it comes to a secured credit card, there's a few things you need to look for, but the first and most important is that it will report your account every single month to all three of the major credit bureaus. You see, the purpose with getting this card is to create a record of positive on-time payments with the three credit bureaus. That's the only way you'll build credit. This is why a prepaid debit card can't build credit, because you're not actually borrowing any money and you're not making payments or anything. Or those merchandise or catalog, the shopping credit cards. Please avoid those. They may claim credit bureau reporting, but it'll only report to one credit bureau. And that's one thing you do need to double check with any secured credit card, is that it will be reported every single month to all three of the major credit bureaus. And this is how it works. First of all, you need to make sure it's a secured Visa or MasterCard, a major credit card. And then this is how it works. You get to choose your credit limit, but secured means you have to make a deposit. And this is FDIC insured. It's fully refundable so long as you don't default on your credit card payments. But basically, let's say, for example, you make a deposit of $500. You'll make that deposit. The bank will hold that, and then they'll issue a major Visa or MasterCard with a credit limit of $500, or it's equivalent to however much you deposit. If you only deposit $300, then you'll have a credit card with a credit limit of $300, $1,000 credit limit with $1,000. They'll hold on to that deposit. You'll be charged a much lower APR or interest rate because they do have your deposit. That eliminates a lot of the risk. There's typically about an annual fee of roughly $50, but this is a much more affordable way than using some of the traditional unsecured credit cards, which last we checked had sky-high interest rates, like 36%, and that's only a partially secured, meaning you still have to make a deposit. Instead, go with fully secured credit card. Don't do the prepaid credit card if you're hoping to build credit, or a merchandise shopping credit card. Avoid those like the plague. You will have to make that deposit, like we said. Make sure that it reports every single month to the credit bureaus, all three of them. And here's the last little tip, is the monthly balance that you hold. So a very important critical piece of your credit score, according to FICO, who calculates all the credit scores, is your available credit to debt. This is also considered your amounts owed, and that's roughly 30% of your overall credit score. Now, what you want to do is have available unused credit, even if it's with a secured credit card. So let's say you have a $500 credit limit on your secured Visa card. What you want to do is keep a monthly balance at about 25 to 30%. So with a $500 credit limit, that'd be about a monthly balance of $150. This will show that you're using your credit, but it'll show that you're using it responsibly. Otherwise, your credit card would be maxed out. This is very helpful and very useful to building some good credit and building that trail of positive payment history. And at the same time, don't neglect, one of the best ways to improve your credit score is to clean up the negative, inaccurate, derogatory information on your credit report. You don't have to live with this stuff for 7 to 10 long years. The law actually says that's a maximum amount of time. There is no minimum amount of time you have to live with bad credit. So if you'd like to know some more about secured credit cards, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe and join our channel. This is Dan, the Credit Man Willis. Please like this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let us know, and have a fantastic afternoon. Looking forward to talking to you again here soon.